out of the harness quickly. The only other thing to show you here in the harness with the D-rings, and I brought this for the guys that are actually hanging a lot, and the bigger guys like me. This is my 390 tower harness utility guys use. Exact same harness as the rope access, except this has a big fat waist belt with a stiffener in the back like a lineman belt. So it's really good for bigger guys. You got a bad back, you want good back support, works great. Same kind of things where you can put your tool pouches on, just like the rope access stuff, but they're wider. I like the curved D-rings because this harness is sized bigger, so you get that D-ring up in front of your hips, so that if actually you are doing a lot of work positioning, like with the retention lanyard, and you're clipping in your side rings a lot, this is more comfortable than a rope access harness because of the S shape on the D-rings. So that's what I tell guys, if you're doing a lot of work positioning, you're working on a rig where you got to rappel down and grease something or inspect something, and you're always using your positioning lanyard from D-ring to D-ring and leaning back on it for 20 minutes, half hour, an hour. Time. It's better to have a harness like this. Plus, it gives you the back support you need if you're hanging back all the time. So I brought that to show you guys. I haven't showed that before that much to the rigging guys, but I'm starting to do that more just because it's better for that. See the quick connect carabiner? Any of the rope access harnesses, you can use this on it because this part's designed it's bigger to clip in and out of, so you don't have to use the trapezoid link. Now, if you're using a Petzl Pro with it, you really want to use a trapezoid link because it works better than the carabiner. It's also shorter.